The bangs are banging. All right, look at this. This is beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. I am obsessed with this honey blonde situation. The color is a 10 out of 10. Look at the bang. All right, the bang is doing what it's supposed to do. It is absolutely stunning. So you know what, you have to get yourself this wig. It is a put on and go kind of wig. I did not do much to this wig. All right, it came like this. It is a pre everything wig. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips you touch.
So guys, let me show you what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is their gorgeous box. It is purple and silver, and let me show you guys all the nice goodies that they sent me. They were kind enough to send me all these goodies. So now this is the wig that they sent me, and I am so excited. Straight out of the box, this is how it is looking. Look at the honey blonde situation. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love how real this is. Let me just take out what is inside. So I love how real this parting is. It looks super realistic. This is how it looks inside. So the wig is nice and stretchy inside. It has how many combs? 1, 2, 3. It has 3 combs. Okay, 2 on the side and 1 right here at the back. Let me take out this tag. Okay, and it also has these adjustable belts as well, so you can adjust these belts according to your head size. It is nice and soft inside. So this is a honey blonde Yaki wig. All right, look at that. It looks absolutely stunning. Okay, they did such a great job. Look at that. Look at the color transition. This is stunning, guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. And hey, we have bangs. All right, so I'm quickly going to put her on. All right, and let's see how she's going to look. This I love this. Okay, she moves. A wig from Luvme Hair, it has to move. Okay, let's put this baby back on. If it is from Luvme Hair, there's no way it is not going to suit me. The quality, yo, I look so good. Look at the bang. Look at the bang situation. This is stunning. Luvme Hair outdid themselves with this one. Look at that, guys. This is such a great color combination. I am obsessed. I am so happy. Let me show you this parting. Do you see how realistic it is? It is absolutely stunning. Where's my brush? Where's my brush? Wow. Yo, I love it. This is a put on and go wig. Okay, it is a nice and secure. It moves when I move my head. When I talk, the wig talks back. All right. yo, I love the length. This is a 14-inch. All right, so you can have it in 10, 12 and 14. I look so good. I look really good. The Yaki texture is doing what it's supposed to do. Guys, do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see that? So I'm going to just bump it up a bit. All right, there's nothing much to do to this wig, honestly. It is so perfect. Okay, yeah guys, just like that, it is a put on and go. Yeah, you don't have to do a lot to this wig. You don't have to do a lot to look expensive. It is nice and full. It is fluffy. It bounces. It moves. When I move side to side, when I shake my head, it is not going anywhere. All right, I am so obsessed. So if you are interested in getting this wig, do check the description box down below and get yourself a Luvme Hair unit. Okay, this is stunning. The bangs are banging. All right, look at this. This is beautiful.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at @KurlyMemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and, of course, for direct links to purchase this gorgeous unit from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, you guys. Bye.